Hey guys, Paul from Net Audio here. We're going to talk about a new product that we developed that we've been working on for quite a while. So we're really excited about this one, and we're going to be sharing a lot of information, but we're going to try to really condense this to give you a quick little video. So this package is intended for the 2019 and up Dodge Ram crew cabs. Only the 1500s, only the 5th gen, new generation, not the classics, not the quad cabs, you know, just the 1500 crew cabs. So all of those trucks, you have 4 different audio packages. You have the base audio, you have the ANC audio, and then you have Alpine and Harman Kardon with the premium amplifiers. All of those trucks have the same mounting locations built into the floor and the back wall, whether it has a factory subwoofer or not. So this package is made to drop in behind the factory seat in the factory subwoofer location. So this way you get some bass, but you keep all your storage space under the seat. Everything is hidden, out of sight, out of mind. We've had a lot of customers who really want to add some bass in these trucks, but they don't want to lose their storage space under the seat. So this is the solution that we came up with. And what I wanted was something that was an actual real performer. I didn't want some preloaded 8-inch sub in an aluminum housing that a lot of manufacturers make, and they're like 100 watts. You know, it's bass, but it's not anything wowie. So this is the package we came up with, and I would say it's wowie. We give you some options. You start with the enclosure and you do it either sealed or ported. Sealed box is going to be tighter, punchier, a little more musical. Ported box is going to get you just more output. It's going to help with the deeper bass a little bit, but it's not as tight and clean. It's a little boomier, and there's nothing we can do about that. That is just the difference between sealed and ported. We give you 2 options on the subwoofer. We either do the Audison shallow tin or we do the audio control shallow tin. Both of them are fantastic subs. The audio control saves you a little bit of money. And then all of them come with the WaveTech 500 watt amplifier, and there's a lot of reasons why we offered that as the solution. First one, these newer radios, newer trucks, whether it's bass audio or premium audio or whatever, the factory amplifiers are picky, and they want to see that load where it sees a speaker hooked up to it. These amplifiers have high level in, so we can run the subwoofer input straight into it, and it has the load resistance and everything built into both of these. That's going to keep the factory amplifier happy if you have Alpine or Harman Kardon. That way it thinks there's still a factory subwoofer hooked up to it. Second, these amplifiers have a lot of controls. I mean, you see there's a bunch of knobs here. It's not just a gain and a crossover. So, we have gain, we have a fully variable bass EQ, meaning it's not just one set frequency. You can control the frequency that the bass boost is at, and you can control how much boost and all sorts of other factors, and we talk in depth about that in our installation video. And then we have our subsonic filter and our low pass filter. If you do have a premium system and you do like the Amp Pro or any sort of interface like that, or a DSP, it also gives you RCA inputs, and then we supply it with the subwoofer volume knob. So it's got a level control where you can adjust the subwoofer from up at the seat. Another package that we're offering is you can add and upgrade to a 4-channel amplifier. So this is made for the ANC package, so the second trim level. This is a complete plug and play package, and all of our packages that we're sending out, they come with the sub, the amp, and the amp kit, and whatever audio interface you need for your factory sound system. That's all the options that are on the website for you to be able to pick out. So that way you can get the package that's for your setup, and then we send you everything as a plug and play kit. It's going to come with a bag full of hardware for you to be able to bolt everything into the stock location. We're going to be supplying your power wire, your fuse holder, and a fuse holder bracket in order to bolt it all into the truck. Now, since we're supplying all the hardware, this package is completely plug and play, so we're really aiming it towards the novice. This is not necessarily something you're going to have a professional to install. We are expecting you to be able to put this in yourself. We will walk you through all of this stuff. We have a how-to video, so you will be able to watch and see how to put this stuff in. If you have the reclining back seats with the armrest and the seat backs flip forward, you can actually drop this into place without having to pull the factory seat out. So this is really intended to be pretty straightforward. If you have ANC or Alpine or Harman Kardon, you don't even have to pull the radio. Every bit of this is being done at the factory amplifier or at the factory ANC module, and then the only thing you have to run up front from there is your power wire to the battery. Go to the website and you can pick through the options, and then we're going to take care of it from there and send you all the hardware and everything that you need for it. If y'all have any questions on these, hit us down in the comments, shoot us an email at netaudiowf@gmail.com, call the shop 940-767-1800, and we would love to answer some questions for you and walk you through so you can pick out whatever option is going to work best for you. Thanks, guys.